Alright, here's how to post landscape photos on Instagram without cropping. First of all, just open your Instagram and now just click on your profile icon on bottom right corner, and here click on this plus icon on top. Now select your post, click on post. I'm going to select this landscape photo. Alright, now just click on this button on bottom, as you can see on the left side, bottom left corner. So just click on it and your photo will be resized to the original, and just click on next and next, and now just click give it a caption. Now after that, just click on share. As you can see, the photo is in landscape. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.